wicked excited about this. We're going to be doing a webinar series, not just any webinar series. It's going to be a series where you experience the oils in real time, just like being in one of my live classes. For each webinar, you're going to get a kit with the oils that we talk about in the webinar. So when I pull one out to smell it, to blend with it, you'll be doing the same thing. It's going to be a lot of fun. We start this November 15th with Holiday Mingle. All the oils for the spice trade, festive, and the holiday season. On January 24th, Resistance. It's about powering up the immune system. On February 26th, we're doing oils for depression, anxiety, and fear. It's going to be a really fun, really exciting, and very interactive webinar series. If you sign up for all three, we're going to give you 15% off and a 5 ml bottle of My Perfect Skin. This is going to be so cool. They start at 5:30 p.m. Pacific time. If you can't join at that time, we record them. So you can play along, sing along, dance along, or smell along at your own leisure.